Take first question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So here the given question is, if 3 is subtracted from each of the numbers, now friends, from each number we are going to subtract 3 and if you are going to subtract 3 means this one is part here 384, this one is 430, this one is here 283, this one is 942, this one is 742. Next, then the digits in all the numbers are arranged in ascending order within the number. So the digits are arranged in ascending order within the number and that means here 384, that means here 348, like that we are going to arrange. Yes, leave it. Now go for the question here. Then what will be the sum of last digits of the number thus formed? Friends, once if you are going to observe here, suppose 384, if you are going to arranging in the ascending order, then 348. So last digit is compulsory highest number in the given, highest digit in the given number. That means here take here highest digit is part 8, here highest digit is part 4. Now 8 plus 4, here highest digit is part 8, here highest one is part here 9, here highest one is part 7. Now total is how much here? 16, next 20, 29 plus 7, total is part 36. So answer is option D and friends, instead of writing again ascending order, again adding last digits, it will take time and instead of that one, take in the given number, in each and every number take highest digit. Suppose if you want, yes, basic method means now again this one is part 034, next 238, next one is 249, next one is part 247. Sum of the last digit here 8, here 4, here 8, 9, 7. If you are going to add means totally 36. Option D is the answer. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. Here the given one is, if the digits in all the numbers are arranged in descending order within the number end. So the digits within the number are arranged in descending order. Descending means here high to low. That means one is part 873, this one is 433, this one is 862, next 954, next one is 754. Then how many numbers thus formed are less than 700? So less than 700, how many numbers are there? So one is part 433, next one is part, that means here we are having only one number. So answer is option A. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So if the first and second digit of all the numbers are interchanged, then what is the difference between second digit of the largest number and the third digit of the smallest number? Now the given condition is part here, first and second digits are interchanged. Then this one is part 837, this one is 343, next 826, next 495, next one is 475. Now question is, what is the difference between second digit of largest number? Friends, here largest number is part here, largest number is here 837. Now second digit is part here 3. Next, and the third digit of the smallest number. So మనకి ఇక్కడ smallest number ఏంది ఇక్కడ 343 అండి. సో 343 లో మనకు వచ్చేసి థర్డ్ డిజిట్ కావాలి. థర్డ్ డిజిట్ ఏంది ఇక్కడ 3. సో మనకి వచ్చేసి 3 కి 3 కి డిఫరెన్స్ అంతే ఇక్కడ 0. సో ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి మనకి ఆప్షన్ డి అవుతుంది. టేక్ నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. యువర్ టైం స్టార్ట్స్ నౌ. Yes, time up. Here the given one is, if the first and third digits of all the numbers are interchanged. So మనం వచ్చేసి ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ డిజిట్ ని థర్డ్ డిజిట్ ని ఇంటర్చేంజ్ చేయాలండి. దట్ మీన్స్ దిస్ వన్ ఇస్ here 783, నెక్స్ట్ 334, next 682, 549, next 547. Now question is, then which of the following number will be the smallest number? Yes, smallest number is what? 334. So మనకు 334 ఆప్షన్ ఇవ్వరండి. సో మనకు 334 వచ్చేసి 433 యూజ్ చేసి we can able to get lowest number. So answer is 433. Option D is the answer. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. Take your given question. If the second digit of all the even numbers is increased by 1. Friends, if it is a even number, second digit is increasing by 1 and next. And the third digit of all the odd number is decreased by 2 and increased by 2. So friends, take a third digit of all the odd number. If it is a odd number, then third digit is increasing by 2. Then how many number? Thus formed is divisible by 3 and now. So even number means second digit plus 1 and now this one is for odd number. Odd number means third digit is plus 1. Then this one is for 389. So odd number. So third digit is plus 2. This one is here 435. Even number. The middle digit is minus plus 1 and now 287 means here 286 means 276. Next one is what? Mala cheptavane barala. So mala iskondi. Take next question. The second digit of all the even number is increased by 1. Friends, if it is a even number, for second digit we are going to increase here 1 and next. And the third digit of all the odd number is increased by 2. Friends, if it is a odd number, then third digit is increasing by 2. Then how many number? Thus formed will be divisible by 3 and now take your first one. Friends, here 387 odd number. Third digit is increasing by 2. That means here 389. 433 odd number. Third digit is increasing by 2. Then this one is here 435. Next 286 even number. Second digit is increasing by 1. Then 296. Next 945 odd number. Third digit is increasing by 2. Then this one is for 947. Next one is for odd number 9747 and yes. So if it is a even number, second digit is plus 1, odd number, third digit is plus 2. Then how many numbers are divisible by 3? 3 divisible rule is sum of digits is divisible by 3 and suppose take your sum. Sum is how much here? 16, 17, 20. So it is not divisible. Next one here sum is here 8, 12. This one is divisible by 3. Here sum is here 17, not divisible. Here sum is 20, not divisible. Here sum is 18. This one is divisible. So only two numbers are divisible by 3. So answer is option B. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. Take next question. Here the again question is from sitting arrangement. Here they given 8 people A, B, C, D, E, F and G. H are sitting around a circular table facing outside the center. So friends, here we are having 8 members are sitting around a circular table. Next, all are facing away from the center end. Yes, leave it. Now take a first point. F and C are not immediate neighbors. Friends, take a F and C, these two are not immediate neighbors. Next one person is sitting between B and C. Between B and C, here we are having one person. So మనకి B కి C కి మధ్యలో ఒక పర్సన్ ఉన్నాడు, బట్ వీ డోంట్ నో క్లాక్ వైజ్ ఆర్ యాంటీ క్లాక్ వైజ్. సో ఒక పాసిబిలిటీలో వచ్చేసి యాంటీ క్లాక్ వైజ్, అదర్ పాసిబిలిటీ వచ్చేసి క్లాక్ వైజ్. Between B and C, one person, otherwise take other possibility. So total here we are having 8 members are sitting around a circular table. Next, all are facing away from the center end. Now this one is for B. Next one, this one is here C. Between B and C, here we are having one person. Next, go for next one here. E is second left of H. మనకి ఇక్కడ E and H positions don't know అండి, then leave it. Next, G is second right of A. We don't know. B and C are not immediate neighbors of D. So B, C, these two are not neighbors of D. Three people are sitting between B and E. Between B and E, here we are having three people. B, this one is here E. B, this one is here E. Friends, if you know about E means now E is second left of H. E is second left of H means now for E here, now this is the possibility for H. For H, first left, second left is E. In this case, E is second left of H means for E, second person, here no chance. If I take here, H means now E is second right of H, but our requirement is for second left. Next, go for next point here. B and C, these two are not neighbors of D. That means B is not neighbor of D and C is not neighbor of D. That means for D here no chance, for D here no chance, for D here also no chance. Why means D is not neighbor of C, D is not neighbor of C, D is not neighbor of B. This is the possibility for D. Next one, C is not neighbor of F. For F here no chance, for F here no chance, then this is the only possibility for F and A. Next one. After next, the given point is what? Two persons between here H and G and two persons between H and G. Now H and G two persons means now H 1 to G chance, otherwise H 1 to G, here also we are having possibility. Here chance, here also we are having possibility. And suppose if I take this possibility for G, our requirement is what here? G is second right of A and G is second right of A. Friends, if I will take this possibility for G, here A, G is second right of A, chance. Otherwise, if I will take this possibility for G, between H and G, here we are having two members. Now, this is the only possibility for A. Now, G is second left of A. Our requirement is what? Second right. That means for this possibility, no chance to take. Then, I will take this one is here G. Now, this one is what? A. Between G and H, here we are having two members. Now, G is second right of A. This is the given arrangement. Take the question here. Who is sitting third left of C and for C, third left is what here? F. So, answer is option D. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. Here the given question is from Silax. Here our requirement is which of the following conclusions are logically follows. That means here true conclusions. Take here given statements. Only few gas is a fuel. Friends, take here gas. Some part of gas is a fuel. At the same time, some part of gas is here not fuel. Next, take here some part of gas is here not fuel. Next one. All fuel is a petrol. Friends, take here fuel. This all fuel is a petrol. Next one, some petrol is a diesel, some part of petrol is diesel and yes. So these are the given statements. Take first conclusion here, some fuel are diesel, some part of fuel is mixed with here diesel, no, fuel and diesel relation is can't say, so first one is wrong. Next, some gas are not fuel, some part of gas is here not fuel, yes. Statement itself says that some gas is a fuel, at the same time some part of gas is not fuel. That means here second one is 2. That means here answer is only 2 follows. Only 2 follows means here answer is option B. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So take here given statements. Only few gas is a fuel. That means same statements and take here gas. Some part of gas is a here fuel. At the same time, some part of gas is here not fuel. Next one, all fuel is a petrol. Friends, take a fuel. This all fuel is a petrol. Next, some petrol is a diesel. Some part of petrol is here diesel. So these are the given statements. Take first conclusion. Some diesel are fuel. Diesel and fuel relation is what? Can't say. So first one is wrong. Next, no diesel is a fuel. A diesel and fuel relation is what? Can't say. Then this one also wrong. Both should be wrong. Subjective predicates are same. One is positive, other one is negative. So answer is either or. Option C is the answer. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. Here the given statement is no page is a paper and Friends, take care. Page. This no page is a paper. Next one is all papers is a sheet. Friends, take care. Paper. This all paper is a sheet. These are the given statements. Next one is what one more statement is there. Only few sheet is a board. Some part of sheet is a board. At the same time, some part of sheet is here, not board. Take first conclusion here. Some sheet are not page. Some part of sheet is a not page. We know no page is a paper. No paper is a page. If no paper is a page means your paper is some part in sheet. That means we know some part of sheet is not page. That means here first one is true. Second one, some board are not sheet. Some part of board is not sheet. We know some part of sheet is not board, but we can't say some board is not sheet. Some not in one direction means reverse we can't say some not. So second one is wrong. That means your answer is only one follows. Option A is the answer. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. Okay friends, take here question. Here the given statement is no page is a paper. Statements are same. Take here page. This no page is a paper. Next one is here all paper is a sheet. Friends, take here paper. This all paper is a sheet. Next one is only few sheet is a board. Some part of sheet is a board. At the same time, some part of sheet is here, not board. So these are the given statements. Take first conclusion. Some paper is not board. Some part of paper is here, not board. Paper and board relation is can't say. So first one is wrong. Next one. Some sheet is not board. Friends, here sheet and board. We know some part of sheet is not board. That means here second one is true. That means your answer is only 2 follows. Option B is the answer. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. Here the given statement is some money is a cash. Friends, take here money. Some part of money is a cash. Next one, all bank is a money and. Friends, take here bank. This all bank is a money. Next one, all cash is a locker. Friends, take here cash. This all cash is a locker. So these are the given statements. Take first conclusion. Some bank can be locker. See here bank and locker relation is what? Can't say. So can't say means here they given possibility. True. Next, all locker being money is a possibility. Often say locker and money here we know only some. All means we can't say. Here can't say means possibility is true. So answer is both are true. If both are true means answer is option E. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. Here the again question is from puzzle and so take your given data. Friends, maybe looking, maybe it will be little bit big and but it is too easy to solve. Here the given one is total here we are having 7 members are travel to 3 different countries: South Africa, Australia, France. Each of them traveled on different days of the week, starting from Monday and ending on Sunday. First take here starting is Monday, next Tuesday, next Wednesday, Thursday, next one is Friday, Saturday, ending is here Sunday. Yes, leave it. Now go for next one. Here the given is for they are going to 3 different countries and yes, leave it. Next one, a minimum 2 people travel to each country. Next, and South Africa is only country to which 3 people are travel. So friends, total here we are having 7 members and here they give total 3 countries. But for each countries, minimum 2 persons should go. That means, but here for South Africa, especially for South Africa, 3 persons should go. South Africa 3 members means out of 7, 3 completed. Remaining 4 is what? Here 2 members will go to Australia, 2 members will go to France, and yes, leave it. Take your first point here. A is travel to South Africa on Monday. Take care. A is travel to South Africa on Monday. Next one. F travel to Australia but neither on Tuesday nor on Saturday. Friends, here the given is what? F travel to Australian. Take care. F. This F is travel to Australia. Next, the given one is what? But neither on Tuesday nor on Saturday. So for F, Tuesday no chance. Next one, Saturday also no chance. Next, go for next one here. Here next one the given is what? G travelled on Sunday but not to France. So G travelled on Sunday but not to France. That means here G France no chance. Next, the one who travelled to Australia travelled on Tuesday. So friends, here the given is what? The one who travelled to Australia travelled on here Tuesday. Next one, the one who travelled to France travelled on Saturday. Now friends, take here. The one who travelled to Australia travels on Tuesday. That means here Tuesday is what? Here Australia. Next, they give next point is what? The one who travelled to France travelled on Saturday. Now this one is here France. Next, go for next one here. E travelled on Wednesday. Take care. This E travelled on Wednesday. C travelled to South Africa but not on Thursday. For C here Thursday no chance andi, but C is travelled to South Africa. Next one, B did not travel to France. For B, France, no chance. Yes. So friends, this is the given entire data. And friends, once if you are going to observe here, take your C South Africa. And friends, here they given total out of 7 members, 3 should go to South Africa. Next, 2 members Australia, remain 2 members France. And now, here C is belongs to South Africa. Now, for C here, no chance. Here, no chance. Next, that means only possibility for C is what? This one C. Now C is belongs to here South Africa. Next one is what? F is belongs to here Australia. So F Australia means chance is for F here no chance. Next, F here no chance. That means the only possibility for F. Now F is belongs to here Australia. Next one, here for France no chance and France no chance. Now France here no chance means this is the only possibility for France. Why means for France compulsory 3 persons should go. Next, for Australia 2 persons completed. That means remain 3 persons South Africa. Here South Africa, here South Africa, this one also South Africa. Next one, here G, next here C, next F, next this one is E, here F no chance. Next friends, here next one is what? Now B France no chance only. That means for B here France no chance. That means only possibility for B is what? Australia. Now take a remaining person. Remaining person is what? D completed. Now remaining person is what? D only. Now take this one is what? Here D. So the given question is what? If everyone is trip is delayed by 1 day, that means here A will go on Monday, but delayed by 1 day means A will go on Tuesday, B will go on Wednesday, F will go on here Friday, like that. 1 day is delay. Now leave it. We will be traveled on Wednesday. So Wednesday who will be travel here? B. B in generally Tuesday, but 1 day delay means what? B will travel by Wednesday. So answer is B. So option C is the answer. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. Here the given question is from inequalities. Here the given statement is P less than or equal to O less than I, P greater than Y greater than W. Suppose from take here. W is less than Y less than P less than or equal to O less than I. Conclusion number 1, between Y and I, what are the symbols here? Less than or equal, less than, resultant is less than. So Y is less than I, but here they given less than or equal to I means first one is false. Second one, O and W, between O and W what are the symbols here? Less than or equal to, resultant is less than. So W is less than O, then O is greater than W, so second one is true. That means your answer is only 2 is true, that means your answer is option B. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. Here, the given statement is A greater than or equal to B, B greater than C, greater than or equal to F. Friends, for first one and second one here, common is what? C and common is C. Now take here A and Z. Between A and Z, what are the symbols here? A greater than or equal to B, B greater than C, C is greater than Z. Greater than or equal to, greater than. Result is what? Greater than. So A is greater than Z. So first one is true. Second one, F and E. Between F and E, what are the symbols here? F is less than or equal to C, C less than or equal to D, less than E. Resultant is what? Less than, so F is less than E. But they given greater than E, no chance. So answer is only one follows. Option A is the answer. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So here the given one is there are 7 persons, namely A, B, C, D, E, F and G. Friends, take here. Total here we are having 7 members. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next, they all are arranged in according to their weights in the descending order from left to right. Leave it. B is the second lightest person. Now take here B. This B is the second lightest person. Next, the one who is the lightest person has 65 kg of weight. So this one is 65 kg. Next one, 3 persons have heavier weight than B and G. So friends, here the given is what? 3 persons have their weight between B and G, not heavier, sorry. Between B and G, here they are having 3 people. B, 1, 2, 3. This one is here G. Next one, F is the heaviest of all. This one is here F. Next one, D has equal number of persons who are heavier and lighter than him. That means here number of persons heavier than D is same as number of persons lighter than D. So heavier than D, how many persons are there here? 3 members. Lighter than D also here we are having 3 members. Next one. Here next one is D has a weight 85 kg. Now take here D. This one is having 85 kg. Next, E is just heavier than B. Now take here E. This E is just heavier than B. Next, A is heavier than C. So A is heavier than C means now this one is what? A, this one is what? C. Yes. This they given entire data and take the question here. What is the average weight of D and C? Now friends, take a D plus C, 80 plus 60. Total is what? 140. Next 150 by 2 and 150 by 2 is what? 75. That means your answer is option E. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W and X are 9 houses. R is 5 km east of P. Friends, take care. This R is 5 km here east of P. Next one. R is 2 km north of Q. Take here R. This R is 2 km north of Q. And W is 6 km south of R. Take here W. This W is 6 km south of R. This one is 2, remaining is here 4 km. Next one. T is 3 km west of W. Friends, take here T. This T is 3 km west of W. Next one. While S is 8 km east of T. Now take here S. This S is 8 km east of T. This one is 3 means remaining is here 5 km. Next one. And UV is 5 km north of T. Take here U. This UV is 5 km north of T. This one is 4 means this one also compulsory 4, remaining is 1. UV is 5 km north of T. X is situated just in the middle of Q and R. S is just in the middle of Q and R. Then this funny spot here. Yes. S is middle of Q and R. Next one. Here, while Z is just in the middle of W and S. Now take here Z. The Z is middle of W and S. W and S total is for 5. Then this one is for 2.5. This one also 2.5. Here S is middle of R and Q me. This one is 2 me. This one is 1. This one also 1. Question is minimum distance between T and Q is. Minimum distance between T and Q. We are going to calculate this distance and yes. So minimum is always we are going to take right angle triangle. So when this one is right angle triangle, so we can able to apply Pythagoras. One side is 3, other side is 4. Then we are going to calculate hypotenuse. And hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. One side 4 square, other side is part 3 square. 4 square is part 16, other side is part 9, 3 square 9. Total is part 25. H square equal to 25. H equal to plus or minus 5. But distance is always positive. So answer is 5 kilometer. Option C is the answer.
సో ఇప్పటి వరకు కూడా ప్రీవియస్ ఇయర్ అడిగినటువంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్నిటిని కూడా లైవ్ క్విజెస్ రూపంలో మీకు ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. సో ఈ వీడియోస్ అన్ని మీరు పర్ఫెక్ట్గా ఫాలో అయినట్లయితే ప్రీవియస్ ఇయర్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఏ ప్యాటర్న్లో వస్తున్నాయి, ఏ లెవెల్ ఆఫ్ డిఫికల్టీలో వస్తున్నాయి అని మీకు ఈజీగా అర్థం చేసుకోగలరు. సో ప్రతి స్టూడెంట్ కూడా ఈ వీడియోస్ను పర్ఫెక్ట్గా ఫాలో అవ్వండి. సో మీకు ప్రీవియస్ ఇయర్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ మీద మీకు ఒక ఐడియా ఉన్నట్లయితే మీ ప్రిపరేషన్ చాలా ఈజీ అవుతుంది. తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్రంలో మనకి ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్స్కి పర్మిషన్ ఇవ్వడంతో సో ఈ క్విజెస్ని ఇక్కడతో స్టాప్ చేస్తున్నాము. ప్రతి స్టూడెంట్ కూడా ఈ వీడియోస్ను ఫాలో అవ్వండి. సో ఆఫ్లైన్లో ఇంతకన్నా ఇంకా ఎఫెక్టివ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్తో మీ ముందుకు రాబోతున్నాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ అండ్ ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్ ఫర్ ఎవ్రీవన్.